Numbers can be used for different purposes, and numbers can be classified and represented in different ways. Our numeration system, the Hindu-Arabic system, has the following attributes. It uses the digits 0 through 9. It uses groups of 10. Position tells the value of a digit. This is why we often use the term place value when talking about our numeration system. It is important to remember that this is only one attribute of our system for naming numbers. Each position to the left is 10 times more than the one to its right. Connecting these concepts by making groups of 10 is an important step for students. The use of a 10 frame emphasizes the concept of 10 and some more. This language helps students learn the teen numbers, whose names, by the way, do not always form an easily recognized pattern. In the teen counting words, the number of ones is said or read first, as in 17. But in the two-digit numbers, from 20 or greater, the number of tens is indicated first, as in 37. Some of the decade words, such as 10, 20, or 30, are said differently from their single-digit counterpart. While 60 is 60, 30 is not 3D. When the counting sequence is extended to 120 or greater, the number of hundreds is said or read first, and then the number of tens and ones are stated. Students should have opportunities to count sets of objects using any method they choose. Most will count the full set by ones. After they count, ask them how many groups of 10 they can make. The important idea is to connect students' count by ones understanding of numbers with the new and more difficult understanding of counting groups of tens and ones. 10 frames, number charts, place value blocks, and an open number line are useful tools for counting and recording counting. Work done with a number chart reveals many interesting patterns. Time spent helping students recognize patterns on the number chart not only helps develop a deeper understanding of numeration, but it also lays a foundation for work with adding and subtracting two-digit numbers. One important pattern is the way in which the ones digit changes from 1 through 9 in each row. Note that in every 10th number, the ones digit changes to 0 and the tens digit increases by 1. Additionally, the tens digits increase by 1 down each column. A 100 chart or number chart can also be used to record counting by tens. Writing the numbers as students count by tens will enable them to see various patterns. Students will be able to describe the patterns, work out what comes next, and continue to develop their understanding of number relationships. Students who learn to find and describe patterns at an early age will be able to continue to develop this ability throughout their study of mathematics. This observation process helps students think about numbers in different ways and prompts them to expect order and regularity in our number system.